So here's to new age fashion and makeup. So considering that even after the lockdown eases up, we won't be able to step out of the house without wearing a mask. So we need to make sure that whatever area is covered, we can kind of avoid placing makeup on there. So after COVID, obviously like your eyes are going to be something that's going to speak more, and also like you don't really have to go all out and apply makeup everywhere. You wouldn't want makeup to transfer over your mask and things. Today I'm going to show you guys after corona, or also known as AC makeup the Korean way. So nowadays I've been really enjoying Korean makeup and everything, so I think I'm going to be adopting to that style a little more. So before I begin, make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So here is the mask that I am using currently. This is by Creative Ideas and I really like the cute print on it. So I'm just going to be wearing this. As you guys can see, the area up till my nose is completely covered and I only have this much space to play around with. So I'm going to make sure that whatever makeup I do today is only till here, and I'm just going to show you how I would proceed with it. So the first things that I'm really going to focus on is applying concealer. Most of your face is going to be covered with the mask. So I'm just going to take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade C42. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this and I'm going to apply it only to this much of the area. At the same time, your eyes will look more fresh and awakened. So here I'm just using this brush by MAC again. It's a concealer blending brush. And I'm just applying it very nicely under my eyes. I'm not going to rub it across or sweep my concealer across my eyes, but I'm just going to slightly just tap it away. I feel like now this is going to be the new normal, and at least like for I think like 2-3 years this is something that might exist because of the kind of virus that has spread around. It keeps mutating, it keeps changing form. So as our government also said, right, Mr. Modi, just got to live with corona. It's a buildable concealer, so if you want you can build the coverage up by applying more, but I just want to go for a nice natural look. I would just advise you guys that you wear a concealer that is of your shade, because you don't want the discoloration to be visible when you apply a mask, because when you do that, you know, your skin is visible out there and you can't keep on, you know, just applying foundation here and then, you know, it's just gonna get really messy. So I would suggest that you take a concealer that is of your shade, exactly your shade or like kind of similar to your shade, and use that only where it is required. Next, if you want, you can just take a little bit of concealer, just a tiny bit, and apply it over your eyes as well, just to kind of make sure that your under eyes and your, you know, main eyelid kind of look the same. As you guys can see, now my eyes look a little bit more awake, it looks a little bit more enhanced. So I'm just gonna set the concealer up now, and I'm going to be using my favorite Kryolan powder. So I'm just gonna take that a little bit and I'm just gonna set my concealer in place only to the areas where we have the product on. Plus it's summers, right, so you don't want to layer a lot of products. Try to use very minimal products to make sure that you get the job done. After this is done, we're going to directly shift and move on to the eyes. And for eyes, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. I really like this palette because of the warm, beautiful shades that it has. I'm using some of the more orangish shades very lightly so that it gives a nice wash of color to my eyes. And to do that, I'm going to be using this brush by Pro Art, and this is in the number PE23. I'm going to go ahead with this orangish shade right here. And I'm just going to apply this all over my eyes. I'm going to give a really soft wash of color, so it's not going to be like a lot of orange right in the face. I'm going to make sure that it looks a little peachy. I'm going to be mixing a few shades to give me that peach color. So I'm going to be using a little bit of white, a little bit of this matte right here, and a little bit of this. Since I feel like now the orange is showing a little bit, I'm just going to kind of dilute it with this nice matte color. I'm so bad at describing shades, you guys. Like, कुछ से होता ही नहीं है. मुझे सब same ही लगता है. Like, I know that there's a difference, but then फिर भी it's very difficult to just put it in words, you know. So yeah, I think it's a beige, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Now I'm going to be taking this same shade again along with this orangish color, and I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes, and I'm going to take it up a little bit. I'm going to create like a soft V out here, Taking my fingers and I'm going to sweep away this really pretty shade. It's a nice satin, and I'm just going to apply it in the middle like so. This is going to give like a really nice natural spotlight effect, and when the light hits your eye, it's just going to look so gorgeous. So this is how it's going to look like. And then after that, I'm going to be taking this slanty brush right here, and I'm just going to again kind of just blend the outer a little bit. I got these brushes from Miniso and they're really good. They look super pretty and the brush quality is really good for the price you pay. Next, I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. Now, as you guys know that Koreans do not like to go ahead with a heavy bold eyeliner. So I'm going to be using a nice brown color, and I'm going to be using this Cake. And here's the brush. So I'm just going to dip a little bit of water in the angled side of the brush. I'm going to place it out here in the Cake, and I'm just going to take the color like so, and I'm just going to line my eyes. This is going to give a really nice natural effect, and I'm not going to do a wing neither. I'm just going to stop out here. I'm just going to take my liner a little bit niche, and I'm just going to make a straight line. If you want, you can stretch your eyes a little bit from here and just create a soft line out here. This is done. I'm going to be taking a nice brown shade from the palette, and I'm just going to go over it to set our liner up. Just like that. After this is done, I'm going to be going ahead and using my kajal. So the kajal that I'm going to be using is by Stars Cosmetics. It's an Indian brand by a makeup artist. And I'm just going to use this on my upper rim, just like that. I'm going to make sure that it gives a nice lift to your lashes, because we want our lashes to look really nice and fluttery. And that is going to also make sure that it brings our eye look together. We're going to be doing one of my favorite things, which is applying mascara. But for mascara, I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise one by L'Oreal. It's a waterproof variant. I really like normal mascaras, like ones that are not really waterproof, but I could not find a variant of that available online. I just got this. I'm going to religiously apply a beautiful coat of it on my eyes. After this is done, I'm going to be using my blush, and I'm not going to apply my blush out here, as you know that your face is going to be covered again. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of it out here, and it's just going to be very slight, so that it just gives some sort of color to our cheeks and like a nice flush to our cheeks. So I'm just going to apply a little bit out here. I know it's going to look a little weird at the moment, but trust me, it's going to come all together. Okay, after this is done, you apply a little bit out here as well, and then you just blend away. The Etude House Cream Blush, and this is how it looks so far. After this is done, we're going to do the final step, and then we're done with our makeup. And I'm just going to take this small tiny Chotu Sa brush from Miniso. I'm going to take a little bit of glitter, and I'm just going to apply it. After this is done, I'm just going to use the same brush that we used to create that liner, and there's just thoda sa little bit of color left. So I'm just going to kind of go ahead underneath like that and create like a fake eye bag. You can do this as a trick and create like a small shadow. We have it. We're done. So now when you apply your mask, you have your look ready. You look presentable and your eyes do all of the talking. And at the same time, you also get to have fun with makeup, and jo tumhare paas products, it's not going to go in waste. You can still use it after the lockdown is a little eased out. And yeah, that's how you kind of make sure that you do your after corona makeup and face styling. I don't really like wear lipsticks and things like that anymore, so I just thought of doing this fun makeup look for you guys, and this is how it's turned out to be. If you want, you can also apply a little bit of highlighter out here. And I'm going to be using the Girl Meets Pearl highlighter by Benefit, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this and apply it on my forehead just to give it a nice glow. And this is optional. This is if you want, you can kind of go ahead with it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then definitely give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Kamsahamnida.